Tired of manually writing test cases? Discover how AI can revolutionize your QA process. Writing test cases manually is time-consuming and prone to errors. There has got to be a better way. Introducing AI-powered test case generation. Automate test case creation directly from your Jira stories. AI analyzes Jira stories to understand requirements and automatically generate relevant test cases. Example: story. User logs in with valid credentials. Test case. Verify user can log in with valid username and password. Example: story. Add product to cart. Watch the AI generate this test case. Confirm product appears in cart after selection. Simply connect your Jira project to our AI tool and let the magic happen. Save time and boost accuracy with AI-generated test cases. Revolutionize your QA process. Empower your QA process with Dezlearn. Learn it easy and transform your workflows.